Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio A100WE. This is going to work for all A100 models as well as other similar Casio watches. As you can see, we have written here on the sticker, after battery replacement, contact the AC with minus using tweezers. So you are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit. And what you want to do is to find on the back of the watch somewhere where you have AC written, as you can see right here, AC, and then we also have the minus sign right there. So what I want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers inside the hole and then connect the minus and hold it for around 3 seconds. Then if I flip the watch around, I should see that the watch has reset from 12 o'clock. That is a good indication that we have done the AC correctly, so properly. This is going to eliminate all possible errors after you have replaced the watch battery. So it is going to reset the module after the battery replacement. Now we need to put the watch back together. So in case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery and also set the time and date, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide. So make sure to check it out. In case you found this video useful, guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one.